Have you ever scrolled through your phone at the end of the day feeling more drained than energized, or found yourself reacting negatively to a comment meant to be harmless? Maybe you felt the weight of the world's problems on your shoulders, feeling helpless and down. It's a sign of our times where the constant influx of information can overwhelm our senses and deplete our energy. Today we're delving into a crucial aspect of our lives, protecting our energy and nurturing a positive life amidst the chaos that surrounds us. We're drawing from the wisdom of Stoic philosophy, which teaches us the importance of focusing on what we can control: our reactions, thoughts, and where we choose to invest our energy. We're excited to introduce you to the resilience principles. These guidelines are designed to help us navigate through life's challenges with a more positive outlook, maintain our inner peace, and protect our energy from the negativity that can so easily consume us. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring how to implement these principles in our daily lives. It's not about having all the answers, but about discovering them together, fostering a community of positivity and support. Remember, we're here to learn from each other and grow together. Join us in exploring these principles further and see how they can transform your life for the better. Number 1. Understanding your energy. At the heart of the resilience principles lies the foundational concept of understanding your energy. It's all about recognizing what fuels us and what drains us, a vital tool for navigating life's ups and downs. Think of personal energy as your inner power source, crucial for everything from tackling daily tasks to pursuing your long-term dreams. To start, identifying what saps your energy is key. Ever noticed how a cluttered space can leave you feeling frazzled, or how certain interactions can make you feel like you're running on empty? These are energy drainers in action. On the flip side, think about the activities or people that leave you feeling recharged and ready to take on the world. These are your energy protectors. Understanding the dynamics of your personal energy involves a bit of introspection. It's like being a detective in your own life, pinpointing exactly what brings you down and what lifts you up. This awareness is your first step towards building resilience. By actively choosing to engage more with your energy protectors and minimizing exposure to energy drainers, you're essentially setting up a life that's more aligned with positive vibes. Incorporating the resilience principles into your daily life can be as simple as decluttering your workspace, spending more time in nature, or even setting boundaries with people who tend to drain your energy. It's about making conscious choices that enhance your energy levels, thereby improving your overall well-being. Remember, the goal here isn't to eliminate all negative energy from your life. That's unrealistic. Instead, it's about creating a balance where your energy protectors outweigh the drainers. This balance is what forms the core of the resilience principles, enabling you to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and positivity. Number 2. Building an energetic force field. To expand on building an energetic force field, incorporating additional practices can enhance your resilience and positivity further. Engaging in regular physical activity, for instance, is not only beneficial for your physical health, but also acts as a powerful stimulant for positive energy. Exercise releases endorphins, known as the body's natural mood elevators, which can help fortify your energetic shield against negativity. Another aspect involves cultivating positive relationships. Surrounding yourself with supportive and uplifting people can significantly contribute to your energy levels. Positive social interactors are a buffer against stress and negativity, reinforcing your protective energy barrier. Moreover, adopting a gratitude practice can shift your focus from what's lacking to appreciating what you have. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply reflecting on things you're thankful for each day can enhance your perception of positivity, making your energetic force field even stronger. Lastly, engaging in creative pursuits can be a potent way to channel and express energy positively. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing music, creative activities can provide an outlet for emotions and thoughts, serving as a constructive component of your energy shield. By integrating these practices with visualization and breath work, you create a comprehensive approach to maintaining a strong energetic force field. This holistic strategy supports your well-being, bolsters your resilience, and empowers you to maintain a positive outlook amidst life's challenges. Number 3. Dealing with negative influences. Dealing with negative influences requires a strategic approach that aligns with the resilience principles. This involves not only identifying negative people and situations, but also developing effective methods to handle them without compromising your energy or well-being. One effective approach is to practice assertiveness. This means communicating your feelings and boundaries clearly and respectfully without aggression. For example, if someone's negativity is affecting you, articulate your need for positivity or suggest focusing on solutions rather than problems. Selective engagement is crucial. It involves choosing your battles wisely and recognizing when engagement is beneficial versus when it's better to disengage. Not every negative comment or situation deserves your energy. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence or a decision to not let the negativity affect you. Another key strategy is to cultivate a strong support network. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people can provide a buffer against negativity. These relationships can offer perspective, advice, and emotional support when dealing with challenging situations or individuals. Additionally, practicing mindfulness can help you stay centered and calm in the face of negativity. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or simply pausing to reflect before responding can prevent you from being swept up in negative emotions. Lastly, focusing on growth and self-care is vital. Engaging in activities that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional health can strengthen your resilience against negative influences. Whether it's regular exercise, pursuing hobbies, or practicing gratitude, taking care of yourself ensures you have the energy and strength to deal with negativity effectively. By adopting these strategies, you can effectively manage negative influences without allowing them to derail your positivity or drain your energy. It's about preserving your well-being and maintaining a positive outlook, even in the face of challenges. Number 4. Positive communication tactics. Adopting positive communication tactics is essential for fostering a constructive and encouraging environment. This approach involves not just what we say but how we say it, ensuring our interactions promote understanding, respect, and positivity. Firstly, enhancing communication to avoid negativity involves active listening and empathetic engagement. By truly listening to others and validating their feelings, we create a space where open, honest dialogue can flourish. This encourages a mutual exchange of ideas and reduces the likelihood of misunderstandings that can lead to negativity. The use of positive language and feedback plays a pivotal role in creating a better environment. Positive language helps in framing conversations in a constructive manner, focusing on solutions rather than problems. For instance, instead of saying, "Don't be late," we can say, "Please try to be on time." Such small shifts in phrasing can significantly impact the tone and outcome of our interactions. Providing constructive feedback is another key aspect. It's about offering suggestions for improvement in a way that uplifts and motivates rather than criticizes. This can be achieved by focusing on specific behaviors rather than personal attributes and framing feedback in a positive context. Together, these tactics contribute to a more positive and productive communication climate. They help build relationships based on trust and mutual respect, where everyone feels valued and heard. By consciously applying these principles, we can transform our interactions and create an environment conducive to growth, collaboration, and positivity. Number 5. Cultivating a positive environment at work. To further enhance positive communication and create a conducive environment, it's imperative to practice gratitude and acknowledgement in our interactions. Expressing appreciation for others' efforts and acknowledging their contributions can significantly boost morale and foster a culture of respect and mutual support. This not only uplifts the individual but also strengthens team dynamics and encourages a more collaborative and positive working environment. Adopting a solution-oriented approach in discussions is another vital tactic. Instead of dwelling on problems or assigning blame, focusing on finding solutions together promotes a forward-thinking mindset. This approach encourages creativity, innovation, and a sense of shared purpose, making challenges less daunting and more like opportunities for growth and learning. Moreover, embracing diversity in communication styles and perspectives enriches conversations and leads to more comprehensive and inclusive outcomes. Recognizing and valuing different viewpoints demonstrates respect and openness, essential for building a positive and inclusive environment. Incorporating humor and light-heartedness into communication can also break down barriers and reduce stress. Appropriate humor can create a more relaxed atmosphere, making it easier to navigate through difficult discussions and maintain a positive outlook. Finally, being mindful of nonverbal cues and ensuring that our body language aligns with our words enhances the effectiveness of our communication. Positive, nonverbal communication, such as maintaining eye contact, nodding in agreement, and eye posture, reinforces our verbal messages and helps in building trust and rapport. By integrating these practices with positive language and constructive feedback, we can significantly improve our communication tactics. This not only helps in avoiding negativity, but also plays a crucial role in creating a better environment where everyone feels valued, understood, and motivated. Number 6. Personal practices for positive living. Personal practices for positive living involve integrating daily habits that promote well-being, happiness, and resilience. Central to these practices are gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care, each playing a crucial role in reinforcing positive energy throughout our lives. Gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of our lives, big or small. Cultivating a habit of gratitude, such as keeping a gratitude journal or reflecting on things we're thankful for each day, shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance we possess. This shift in perspective can significantly enhance our overall well-being, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness. The practice of being present and fully engaged with the moment, without judgment, is another vital component. Whether through meditation, mindful breathing, or simply being attentive to our activities and surroundings, mindfulness helps reduce stress, improve emotional regulation, and increase self-awareness. By being mindful, we can better appreciate life's experiences and manage challenges more effectively. Self-care is equally important, encompassing activities that nurture our physical, mental, and emotional health. This could involve regular exercise, healthy eating, adequate sleep, pursuing hobbies, or simply taking time to relax and recharge. Self-care ensures that we maintain our health and energy, enabling us to face life's demands with resilience and positivity. Integrating these practices into daily life doesn't require massive changes, but rather small, consistent actions that collectively make a significant impact. By dedicating time to gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care, we can cultivate a positive outlook, enhance our well-being, and lead a more fulfilling life. Number 7. Spreading positivity to others. Spreading positivity to others is a powerful way to create a ripple effect that can transform communities and foster a more supportive and uplifting environment. One effective method is through acts of kindness, whether small gestures, like a smile, or more significant actions like volunteering. These acts can significantly impact others' lives, encouraging them to pass on kindness. Additionally, using positive affirmations and encouraging words can inspire and motivate those around us. Compliments, expressions of appreciation, and verbal support can boost someone's self-esteem and mood, contributing to a more positive atmosphere. Sharing experiences and stories of overcoming challenges with a positive outlook can also influence others. These narratives can provide hope, inspire resilience, and demonstrate the power of a positive mindset in facing life's adversities. Modeling positive behavior and attitudes is crucial. By embodying positivity in our actions and interactions, we serve as a living example of its benefits, encouraging others to adopt a similar approach. The ripple effect of these positive actions and attitudes is profound. As individuals feel uplifted, they are more likely to spread positivity, creating a cycle of kindness and support that extends far beyond the initial act. This chain reaction can lead to stronger relationships, improved mental health, and a more compassionate society. By consciously choosing to influence others positively, we contribute to a culture of positivity that can withstand the jizzle of negativity, fostering an environment where everyone can thrive. Number 8. Embracing change as a positive force. Embracing change as a positive force is about recognizing the inherent opportunities that change brings and leveraging them to foster growth and positivity. Adaptability plays a crucial role in this process, as it enables us to maintain our energy levels and thrive in the face of change. Instead of resisting change, seeing it as an opportunity for personal development can transform potential stress into a source of motivation. Techniques for embracing change include practicing mindfulness, which helps us stay present and accept changes without judgment. This can reduce anxiety and fear associated with uncertainty. Setting flexible goals allows us to adjust our paths while staying true to our core objectives, making us more resilient to unexpected shifts. Seeking out new experiences deliberately can also condition us to be more comfortable with change, turning unfamiliar situations into adventures rather than threats. Another powerful strategy is to cultivate a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and expand our abilities. This mindset encourages us to approach change with curiosity and openness rather than fear. Additionally, building a strong support network provides emotional backing and diverse perspectives, making it easier to navigate through periods of transition. By integrating these practices into our lives, we not only become more adaptable, but also more capable of using change as a catalyst for personal growth and positivity. This approach transforms the way we experience change, from something to be endured to something that can be actively harnessed to enrich our lives. Number 9. Leveraging technology for positive energy. Leveraging technology for positive energy involves harnessing digital tools and platforms to enhance well-being, reduce negativity, and foster a healthier mental and emotional state. With the advent of smartphones and apps, technology offers a plethora of options to support mindfulness, gratitude, and positive habit formation. Mindfulness apps like Headspace and Calm provide guided meditation sessions and mindfulness exercises that can help users reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance their overall sense of well-being. These tools make mindfulness practice accessible and convenient, allowing individuals to incorporate meditation into their daily routines effortlessly. Gratitude apps such as Grateful and 5-Minute Journal encourage users to reflect on positive experiences and things they're thankful for each day. This practice can shift focus from negative to positive aspects of life, fostering a greater sense of happiness and contentment. For habit formation, apps like Habitude gamify the process of building positive habits, making it fun and engaging. By completing daily goals and tasks, users can improve their productivity and well-being while enjoying the process. In addition to specific apps, setting boundaries with technology use is crucial. Limiting time spent on social media and engaging with content that uplifts rather than drains emotional energy can significantly impact mental health positively. By thoughtfully integrating technology into our lives, we can access resources that support our journey towards a more positive, mindful, and grateful existence. Protecting one's energy is fundamental to sustaining a positive and fulfilling life. It involves consciously managing where we focus our attention, how we interact with others, and the environments we choose to be in. By identifying and minimizing interactions with energy drainers and maximizing those that uplift us, we can preserve a vitality and well-being. Encouragement to practice positivity isn't just about maintaining a cheerful outlook, it's about cultivating resilience, gratitude, and mindfulness. These practices empower us to navigate life's challenges with grace and to influence those around us positively, contributing to a more compassionate and understanding world.